Lucy, are you biting me? Are you biting me? Why are you acting all gun shy? Why are you acting all shy, Lucy? Hi, Katie. This is Katie. This is Lily. And this is little Lucy. Hey, everyone. This is Jareth from Reap What You Sow. Today I am going to take you around and show you the animals, and then I'm going to tell you why we have them on the homestead. Okay, come on, girls. Good morning, Jake. Guys, my barn is a mess. One day I will get it all cleaned up. Todd went and picked up feed, and when he did, he just put the barrels here, as you can see, and you know, they're all full, so I can't move these barrels. But there's the girls. Look at Willow. Willow, get yourself down. My goodness. Look, Lucy jumping on me. Hi, PJ. Good morning. Okay, guys, y'all ask, why do I raise the goats? Because I don't drink their milk or anything. I have made soap with their milk. Y'all watch Willow behind me. I have made soap. I do that some, but not a whole lot. But the goats are more a therapy goat for me and the kids, because I got sick. And when I got sick, I would just stay in the house, you know. I guess you could say I was kind of like depressed, but I'm going to beat Willow. But, you know, we started getting the goats. They make me get out of the house and do stuff, or I would sit down, and then the girls, my granddaughters, love them, you know. And so it's just, they just bring me great pleasure. I love the goats. So we don't eat them, and we don't drink their milk. So that's for the goats. So let's get them fed real quick. Come on. Come on. So I have this bag in here. I just put the food in here. And so that lets Lucy, Gracie, and Lily, Lucy, Katie, and Lily eat without the big goats fighting them. So that's why I feed them there. Move, you gotta get out of the feeder. Oh, that made a mess. Come on, girl. I got feed in here too. Okay, right here you can see that we have some meat chickens there. We process and raise our own chickens for meat. These are actually a little too big because we just haven't had time to process them yet, because with Todd's work schedule, with the hurricane, he used to have 1 week on, 1 week off, and we could get a lot done. But he doesn't have that anymore since the hurricanes and stuff. He's been working a lot non-stop. And we just took a vacation, and that was because he had already had it planned. So now I'm fixing to feed these meat chickens, and hopefully we'll get to process these chickens soon. Get down, Lucy. These are meat rabbits we raised. We got one pheasant left. And we have Seaux, our buck is out of here, but this little black rabbit is a buck, and he's not supposed to be in here. So I know these girls have babies. This is Opal. I meant Jolly. I'm so sorry. That's Opal. This is Jolly right here. We've had her for a while. I can tell her by her ear where another rabbit, she had gotten a fight with a rabbit. These three little girls here are driving me crazy, and I know what they want. they want a little bit of corn. So that'll hold them for a little bit. Okay, guys, this is the chickens right here, and we have some chickens in here, ducks in here, one turkey, his name is Junior. We have 2 geese that I traded some pheasant eggs for, and they gave me 2 geese. I named them Bonnie and Clyde. I have a male and a female. So we keep them, we raise the chickens specifically for eggs and stuff. We will butcher some. Hopefully, look in the chicken pen. That's Willow. She is not supposed to be in the chicken pen. So what she's doing is going over there on the ramp, on the walkway for the goats, and she's jumping on top of this net, the shrimp net, and she's walking across that net and getting in here into the chicken pen. You can't hardly do anything with her. She is bad. So next up is Butterfly, our mini Jersey milk cow. Butterfly is, like I said, our registered mini Jersey cow. She is 40 inches tall. We AI'd her earlier this year. It did not take, so we're waiting to around January to do the AI again. And she is spoiled. We love her. And she's just so precious. Come on, girl. Okay, this is White. He is one of Todd's hog dogs. He's excited to see me. We have him pinned up in here because of the fact that he would not stop barking. He kept barking and barking and barking, and he was mad about that little cat coming to eat on the porch. And so I moved him out here, and I told Todd it'd be better for him to be out here. Look how the goats are starting to eat with Butterfly. She lets them. Willow is getting there. She hasn't made it there yet, but she will eat a little bit with her. At first, she wouldn't even eat snacks out of the same hand that I fed Butterfly out of. Okay, so let's go meet our bucks. Good morning. Good morning. Badger is to the left. Daniel is the one with horns. He's our little weather. And this little buck right here, I'm going to be keeping him. But that Badger is the herd sire. Oh, and he's perfumed up. I need to get rid of him and this little one over here. So these are our guys. We've only bred 2 goats this year, and that's Willow and Sonic. I might breed some more later, but so far that's what I've got right now. So next up, we got to go feed the cows in the back, and then the pigs that we got pinned up. Okay guys, we have a little house guest that showed up. Don't have no idea where the little thing come from, but it's a little cat. So the dogs hate her. So I've been feeding her, and I was going to let her stay here with me. And she's just so precious, y'all. Macy doesn't like her. Jake and White don't like her. But Jake and White's on chained up so they can't get to her. So I just let her stay here, and I put her some feed out on the porch. White, you better hush. Well, those big cows is moving, so we're going to have to go feed them. Terry from JT Outdoors named her. I'm going to have to call her and ask her what she's been calling her. Guys, they house set for us while we went on vacation, and let me tell you something. It was absolutely wonderful. They took care of everything. So if you ever need a house setter, check them out. JT Outdoors, they might come and house set, form sit for you. They do an awesome job. So let's go feed the cows and the hogs. Okay, when I feed these girls, I try to drive right up beside the feeder because they will trample me if I don't watch it. So I just pull up here like this. Look right here. See how they are? Look over there. Okay. They have knocked the feed over for the hogs. So now I got to scoop up the mess that they got back here. Okay guys, these are some wild hogs that we trapped on our property, and we just moved them right here to fatten them up a little bit. When we moved them, one had 4 babies. So that little black one right there, she had 4 little pigs. Todd has castrated some of them. We're not sure if he was able to get all of them, but we're raising these for meat and for a family to have some meat. So that's what it is. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and close this film out. I've told you what each animal is for. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. We appreciate each and every one of y'all following us, and y'all are so loyal. We thank y'all so much. And look, God bless.